Welcome to Reypurposed Made. One of the cooler parts of setting my own schedule means that I can create custom art furniture wherever I am. See how I take random pieces of wood and turn them into one-of-a-kind masterpieces. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel to see my latest works. Are you looking for new end tables or nightstands for your living room den? Something to spruce it up a little bit, make it look all jazzy? But you know you definitely don't want those boring old square tables? No! What you want is something cool, something fun, something with a weird shape and color, right? What if you could have a table shaped like one of the letters of your name? This table is for Shanequa. That's why it's the S shape. But I know I'm definitely going to do more tables like this because they're so cool. So let me show you the process. The main finish for this S table is a dark wood stain. It's the honey wood stain that I'm using for several projects in Shanequa and her mom's house. It's the dark color stain that they like. But that is not where it ends. This table is going to be in the game room, and the game room is the brightest room they have in their house. So there's pinks and oranges and yellows and blues, and I wanted to pull off of that brightness and that fun space and create an epoxy that really does capture how exciting the room is and how standout and unique and fun I want the piece to be. And not only did I make this S table for the game room, I also created a table topper to go into the room. So they kind of work side by side. So I'm giving you two projects in one for this video because everything that I had to do for the table, I also had to do for the little table topper, which included doing the epoxy. So they kind of work side by side, and you'll see all those processes happen together. One of the cooler parts about this project is how I created a removable top so that I can lay the epoxy on that piece without ruining any of the parts below. I have experience where I have a whole finished project and it's time to do epoxy on the top and parts below get messed up while laying the epoxy. So I created the top to the project with the whole table and created it in a way that I can take it off, lay the epoxy down, and then when the epoxy dried, I can put it back on with just 4 easy screws. So that was very simple. My favorite part about this project is the metal brackets on the side. They're not just decorative, they're also functional. Because when I first created this project, I noticed that the S is kind of slouchy, and it's because of gravity. Instead of all the pieces going straight down to the ground, some pieces just kind of hang in the air, and that forces it to not be as straight as it should be. So I knew that I was going to have to use metal brackets, and I decided that based off of the most prominent color that I saw out of the epoxy, that would be the color that I spray painted the brackets. So the brackets are blue. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you're enjoying it so far. Stick around, there's a little bit more. But I wanted to make sure you hit those like and subscribe buttons below to catch my latest content. I post twice a week, always every Monday and Thursday. And if you wanted to follow me on social media or get your very own Reypurposed piece, you can find me on Instagram, Facebook, Etsy, and Gmail under Reypurposed. Thank you and keep watching.